Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you something really cool. We are going to install Pixel Agents, and this is not just another AI tool running silently in the background. This is something you can literally see working. So what is Pixel Agent? Instead of just watching code generate in a terminal, Pixel Agents lets you visually see your AI agents working, like tiny animated developers sitting at desks using laptops and completing tasks. It feels like running your own mini AI office. And the crazy part, you can run multiple agents at the same time, assign different tasks, create your own multi-agent workspace. And yes, we're doing this with Cloud Code connected through 9 router without needing any paid subscription. So let's get started. Important setup before installing. Before installing Pixel Agent, make sure you have 9 router installed, you have configured it with your Cloud Code CLI, everything is already connected and working. If you haven't done that yet, check my previous video where I show the full setup process. Once that's done, you are ready. Step 2. Install Pixel Agent in VS Code. Now let's install Pixel Agent. Open VS Code, go to Extensions, search for Pixel Agent. You'll see it appear in the extension marketplace. Click Install. That's it. No complicated setup, no API purchase, nothing extra. Once installed, it will appear inside your VS Code panel. Step 3. Create a project. Now create a new folder. Open that folder in VS Code. This will be your working project directory. Once inside, you'll see Pixel Agent ready to go. You can open the panel, and this is where the fun begins. Step 4. Configure layout. Make it look like an office. By default, it might appear on the left side. You can move it to the right side if you want. Just change the layout settings and adjust the panel position. Now look at this. It literally looks like a mini office environment. You can add agents, add more agents, assign different tasks, design the workspace, change layout, add furniture, add desks, add laptops. You can basically build your own virtual AI office. Step 5. Add multiple agents. Now let's add some agents. Click Add Agent, add another one, and another one. Now you will see multiple agents working at the same time. Each one can handle a different task. You can send commands individually. You can assign roles like developer, architect, research assistant, tester, and they will start working simultaneously. And this is where it becomes really impressive, because you're not just typing commands blindly, you are actually watching your AI agents work. It feels interactive, it feels alive. How this works with 9 router plus Cloud Code. Since we already configured 9 router and Cloud Code earlier, Pixel Agent automatically uses that backend. You don't need to reconnect anything. Once 9 router is running and Cloud Code is set up, everything just works. No extra subscription, no separate billing, no complex API configuration inside Pixel Agent. Just install and start. Why this is powerful? This is more than just fun visuals. It's useful for managing multi-agent workflows, experimenting with AI collaboration, running parallel development tasks, understanding how agents behave. You can literally simulate a small AI team inside your editor. So that's how you install and use Pixel Agents with 9 router and Cloud Code. It's simple, it's visual, and honestly, it's pretty fun to watch. Try it out and let me know in the comments. Would you use something like this for your projects? And if you want more videos on Cloud Code, multi-agent setups, or other AI tools, comment below what you want to see next. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.